Online survey platforms are a fantastic method to supplement your income part-time. This has now become a legitimate business, as many companies are looking forward to collecting information for market research purposes. Here is the list of a few paid online survey websites that you should definitely check out. Today.ugov.com. A market research firm with its UK headquarters known as Ugov is one of the most legitimate paid survey websites. The company offers a community of 4 million users who provide the clients with the quantitative and qualitative data they require. The surveys you will receive take 5 to 15 minutes to complete and are related to your lifestyle, products you use on a daily basis, consumer habits, polls and opinion-based. Ugov has a relatively high payment threshold of 5,000 points, which means that if you reach that number, you may cash out for about $15. Swagbucks.com. Popular survey site Swagbucks can pay you to complete surveys. You can exchange your Swagbuck points for cash or gift cards as you complete surveys. Additionally, you may earn Swagbucks points, i.e. Swagbucks, by doing things like watching videos, exploring the web, and playing games. For each survey, you should be able to earn anything from 40 to 200 Swagbucks. In the end, each survey costs between 40 cents and $2. There are, however, a few uncommon chances to make up to $50 each survey. PrizeRebel.com. One of the most well-known survey websites is probably PrizeRebel. It states that its users have redeemed $15 million. Additionally, it offers some of the most varied reward options. Anyone who is at least 18 years old is welcome to join PrizeRebel. It operates on a point system, each of which has a monetary equivalent that can be redeemed. There are numerous ways to pay on the website, including gift cards, bank transfers, and PayPal. The benefits of PrizeRebel are what make it so well liked. Numerous gift card options are available for users to select from. Additionally, they keep expanding the list every week. Apart from cash or gift vouchers, you can exchange your points for in-game currency. Inboxdollars.com. You can earn money with Inbox Dollars by answering surveys and also viewing videos, participating in games, reading emails and making purchases at particular retailers. With Inbox Dollars, you just get paid for each survey you complete. Most of the surveys offered by Inbox Dollars are between 50 cents and $5. However, some polls offer rewards of up to $10 or $20. Generally, it takes 2 to 25 minutes to complete a survey. Once you confirm your email, you can access a $5 bonus to get things started. You can withdraw money via PayPal, a check, or a variety of gift cards. SurveyJunkie.com. You can make money by participating in paid surveys at SurveyJunkie and sharing information about your online activity. SurveyJunkie was created with the sole objective of conducting effective and high-quality market research. You will earn points by responding to surveys. The exact value of the points in dollars is displayed in your dashboard. Your points can be redeemed for cash via PayPal or gift cards. The only drawback is that you have to wait until you have 500 points in order to cash out at the $5 level. Surveys.GoBranded.com. Branded Research Incorporated, a market research firm, has a research community called Branded Surveys. Its website states that it offers feedback to its Fortune 500 clients. The point system is used throughout all of Branded Surveys operations. These might include taking surveys or earning money through referrals. Although the points may differ, it promises to honor efforts. As a result, one can still obtain them even if they are rejected from the survey. Once the points have an equivalent monetary value, users can trade them in for cash or other goods. The minimum payout is $10, equivalent to 1,000 points. It accepts payments via Dawala, PayPal, and Branded Pay. This video does not intend to deceive you by saying that you will be filthy rich overnight by signing up to these paid survey websites. However, it is great as a side hustle if you are looking forward to making some extra cash by doing minimum efforts. If you find the information helpful, then comment, share and like the video and subscribe our channel.